tutti! Hello everyone! Mi chiamo Emilia. My name is Emily, and I'm a teacher at Knowledge Adventures. Today we are going to look at part 1 of how to order at a restaurant, focusing on breakfast. This is a play-acting dialogue. So there's one character going to be green and another character going to be blue. This is a great way that you can practice dialogues before actually doing it in real life. So here on page 1, we have, excuse me, mi scusi, where's a restaurant? Dove un ristorante? Let's try those again. Mi scusi, dove un ristorante? All right, good job. Then they are going to tell you some directions. Maybe they'll say something like to the left, to the right, or straight ahead. Of course, they could say something else, but these are the 3 most important directions to know. So here we're starting with to the left, a sinistra, to the right, a destra, straight ahead, avanti diritto. Think of Dorito, like Dorito chips. You're going straight ahead in a grocery store to buy chips. It might just be a silly way to help yourself remember it a little bit better. And then of course you're going to say thank you, that they gave you directions. So thank you is grazie. And then you're welcome, prego. And have a good day, buona, gior, not Gio or Gio, but giornata. Buona giornata. And this would be used up till evening, so until about 4 o'clock. Then you switch over to good evening. Then you get to the restaurant, but when you get there, don't say ciao. Now, yes, ciao is used in a lot of different ways in Italy, but it's not very polite actually. It's more so just used for friends, family, and kids. So when you're going to a restaurant, you're going to be seeing an adult whom you haven't met before, so it's better to use something politer, such as good day, buongiorno, or something like that. So let's practice that one. Good day, buongiorno. Then they're going to ask how many people do you want for your table. That is going to be quanti, like quantity. And then you say however many are going to be with you. So an example, 4 please would be quattro per favore. Not per favor, but per favore, just in case you got confused. When you get to your table or tavolo, one of the first questions they're going to ask is, what do you want to drink? Now, the short way of them asking that is going to be da bere. Think of the word beverage, and it'll make it easier to remember. And here are some options. Juice is succo, like you're sucking a juice box as a way to remember it. Succo. Water is acqua. And milk is latte, not to be confused with coffee. It's not coffee, it's actually milk. And here is how to say a few other drink options. Now, of course, water is just acqua, all right? But if you want to be more specific and sound more Italian, then you should say a liter of, and then sparkling water or natural water, like regular water. So sparkling water, you're really going to say a liter of water, sparkling or fizzy. So un litro d'acqua, which means of water, and then sparkling is frizzante. Let's try to put that all together. Un litro d'acqua frizzante. Great job, I know that's a little long. Let's try the next one. A litre of natural water. This is un litro d'acqua naturale. Naturale, which is really saying a litre of water natural, right? So describing words are going at the end because they like to tell you first what they're talking about. That's water. And then they describe it. And that's what happens a lot of times with describing in Italian. Next one, lemonade, limonata. And orange soda is aranciata. CIA is sounding like cha, not chia or kia. This is aranciata. And then, of course, probably comes the hardest part, which is ordering food in Italian. So they're probably going to ask you something like, what would you like to eat? And more specifically, what would you like to eat for breakfast? So da mangiare, G-I-A, sounding like ja, da mangiare a, and then breakfast, really important word, colazione. Colazione. So da mangiare a colazione. And then when you answer, if you want to make a whole sentence, you can say, I would like. One possible way to start it, which is vorrei, has an EI just like in sleigh, so it sounds like an A, vorrei. And here are some food options, though of course there could be others. Some toast with butter, dei toast con il burro, dei toast con il burro. Another word for toast is pane tostato. Some waffles with syrup, dei waffle con lo sciroppo, dei waffle con lo sciroppo. Or a croissant and some fruit, un cornetto e della frutta, un cornetto e della frutta. And then they'll respond back. Maybe they'll say something like, great choice, ottima scelta, or something like that. And then you can say thank you for, them waiting on you, etc. And that's grazie. Grazie. And then when you have your food, they're going to eventually come and ask you, how's it going? Like, how's the food? And that's probably going to be asked with tutto a posto. Tutto a posto. And then if it's good, you could say something like, it's fine, it's good, va bene, which can also mean a few other things, but in a restaurant, going to mean it's fine and it's good, va bene. And then it's delicious is è delizioso, è delizioso. And then again, thank you is grazie. Lastly, of course, you have to pay. So you need to say the bill, please, il conto, like you're counting. Conto sounds like count as a way to remember it. Don't say canto. Canto actually means sing. So you want the bill, not singing. So il conto, per favore, please. Of course is certo. And then remember, say something other than ciao to be polite when you're leaving. So saying something like arrivederci, arrivederci, thank you, grazie, or have a good day, buona giornata. All right, great job, bravi. Did you enjoy this mini conversation and understanding every aspect of it? Well, you can practice this at home or online with our digital print off of it, or you could just keep it as a digital copy and use it on Zoom calls with friends, family. So if you would like the link to this printout, then feel free to check out the link below and you can get your copy today. Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!